Okay, it's day 5 of the hunt. Still haven't caught any deer. And the nights, well, here we put leaves on that, basically. Okay, but just, let's see if we catch anything.
Okay, so here we go. Come on, you can make it.
Come on.
Okay,
Come
so
on,
we're gonna
Elijah.
start walking. I think I heard a deer or something. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Cameraman, let's go.
Here,
I'm making.
I heard something. Walk.
walk.
You don't want to disturb it.
Might be one of the Native American guys.
No,
Guys, this is avoid this.
No, I heard something. I know it.
yeah, I heard it too, man.
Probably a Native American.
There's no Native Americans out here.
Probably just heard a deer.
It's just deer.
Or maybe a rabbit.
There's nothing out
Well,
there.
if it's a deer, we can eat it. We can eat it. Yes, we're lost.
Yeah, we're lost. Just help us.
What's your name?
Earl? Okay, Earl, can you help us?
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Earl.
Thank God.
Earl.
This is a cameraman. We've been out here for 5 days, man.
Okay. Whoa.
Help us, Earl.
You making a fire or something?
Yeah, no.
No, we're hunting. We're hunters.
We were starting a TV show and then we got lost.
We got lost.
Well, we're in the woods, I can tell you that one.
Yes.
Well, no dip.
We know
Yes,
that.
sir. Okay,
you help
so
us
what do
get out?
we need to do? What do we need to do to get out of here?
To get at it, what do you mean?
Like to get
get
back
out
to
of the woods.
civilization,
Yes.
urban area.
Back to the city.
All y'all gotta do is you just gotta go on down there yonder.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. Uh-huh.
I'll just walk all the way down there, okay?
Uh-huh.
Then you'll reach it sometime, okay? It's a good walk, but you can get there eventually.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
Are you
now.
sure?
Have a nice day, y'all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
See y'all. Okay.
Okay. No running. We might scare off something to eat.
Can't believe this.
We were walking for
Walking for 3 hours. Haven't found anything. Come on.
Guys, and eat. That guy's so bad.
We're hungry.
I didn't even think we were
Everything.
in military.
Come on, this
Wait,
is
look.
Exactly.
No.
Look at nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
power lines
Let's
and
just go.
energy house.
What?
No way!
What's wrong with you?
You again!
I want to go downtown.
Snare, no, don't.
What is your problem?
I'm sorry. Well,
What is wrong with you?
dead to me. I'm sorry. It's on the other direction. I'm sorry.
Other direction,
I-
huh?
Why would you do that?
What is wrong with you? I made a mistake. It's just the other. Oh,
3-hour walk.
what do you think? How do you think I got here? But look, I mean,
Come on, let's just go back.
Yeah, man.
I mean, come on.
Let's just go back. Come on.
Have a nice day, y'all.
You can shut up.
Come on.
Hey, you only had. No. You only have one more bullet left anyway.
Let's go.
Go before this guy gets back.
Go. Great.
You want to shoot me? Do it. I'll shoot you first.
We've only got one bullet, remember?
Relax. We're sorry.
Brown, I'll see you again.
Oh, we finally found civilization. I don't know exactly where we are, but at least we found cars and houses.
Let's just go get some drink. Let's go get some drink. Come on.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so tired. Oh my God.
No, not this guy.
No. Oh, crap.
Oh my God. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's nowhere. Okay. Guys, at least we found it. I don't know exactly where he is, but we're done.